So let's think about the role of the brain in dealing with other people. So our brains are socially specialized. They have distinct systems connecting different parts of the brain that allow us to deal with other people and pick up and understand the cues of other people. So there's one system that allows us to literally step in the shoes of other people. And we know that phrase well, to think about someone else's experience and understand the world from someone else's perspective, or to understand why a person acted or said or did what they did in a particular moment in time, in a particular situation. So there's a system in our brain that allows us to intentionally step in the shoes of other people and think about someone else's experience, which may be different to our own experience. And then there's another system in the brain that allows us to feel what other people are feeling in more of a quick and automatic way. We can feel in our bodies a sense of discomfort if someone else is angry in our vicinity, and particularly if they're angry at us. We can pick up on a range of expressions from other people, from their facial expression, their posture, their tone of voice, the way in which things are being said. We can pick up on anger, anxiety, sadness, fear, happiness, surprise, disgust, revulsion. And that's when these systems are working well. And then we can take this information and then respond to other people in accordance with the social norms of our given culture. We can pick up on the cues of other people and respond such that we're not standing too close to someone if that's important in our culture. We can respond in a way that's socially appropriate for our given culture. And we can do that quite flexibly as well, so we can behave differently with different people according to how formal our relationship with that person is. So again, that's when these systems in the brain are working well. When they get compromised as a result of brain injury, those cues that we pick up from other people may be confused or may be wrong, and the way in which we respond to other people may not fit within a given situation or as per the expectations of others. So that can put survivors at odds or put them out of sync with the relationships and expectations of other people around them, which of course will lead to other people reacting in a different way. If other people feel uncomfortable, hurt, as a result of the actions or what's said by a survivor of brain injury, then they're going to react in something perhaps a negative way. If a survivor can't pick up on why someone is suddenly acting in a different way, then there's going to be a big question mark for the survivor of injury. Why are people acting in a negative way towards me without realization that maybe there's been a social transgression or something like that? So in this way, a brain injury can lead to a different ripple, to pick up on a theme we explored in the families video, a negative ripple that happens between people, and suddenly the world starts to feel, for the survivor, that it's full of people out to get them or acting in a negative way or judging them harshly. And it's a confusing situation. It's hard for a survivor to know how to manage that. And we'll explore in the next section what that can actually feel like for survivors of brain injury.